All right, guys, so I'm at the Tomb45 warehouse, and we have you're not gonna be able to see it very well. It's really bright. We have a whole shipping container to unload. So I'm gonna show you guys that today. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the warehouse. You haven't seen much of it on my channel. If you follow Bozio, you've probably seen it, but we're gonna unload this thing. I'm gonna show you guys some of that process. Some of the guys are coming to help. Show you guys some of the warehouse, and then I gotta get back home to Kentucky. All right, guys, so you can see the whole container. We gotta unload it, and I guess we're gonna split it up into pallets. So they've already gotten started. You guys look at how full this thing is. Packed to the top. Let's get to it. You guys look at Danny whipping this forklift. Look at him, listen. This is how you know he out here doing this all day. Look, laid all them little pallets out for us to load. I'll tell you how much stuff we have. There's 9 right there. I think we're gonna fill all that stuff up over here. Dre, what are we doing today?
We are sacrificing our souls.
Our souls. You guys, look at this. I don't know how many's in the box, but
Brutal in a minute.
look who showed up. What you got over there, Fonzie?
I have no idea. I'm just grabbing boxes.
Well, what's the box say?
245.
No. How you been, man?
No, living my best life. What about you?
Yeah, same. That's what I like to hear. Yo, y'all good?
Yeah. Ooh, baby.
Y'all see all these power mats. We already done 4 other pallets. You'll see all the different colors. There's all the different color clips, green, blue, orange. We even got more stuff over here. Danny about to wreck the whatchamacallit, but man, guys, let me tell you, this Florida heat is brutal. How you feeling, my brother?
Oh man, you know, every 15 minutes, make sure you take a cool down break.
Yeah, drink some water, where's it at? Drink some Gatorade.
Hey, it's hot, boss. It's what they don't see, man.
Yeah.
I want to be a part of the squad. I want to platform. Do you?
Yeah, platforming yesterday, sweating you know what off today. Hey, listen, y'all, man, when you order from Tomb45, you see who's in here. The squad, the families, that's who's running this thing. It's a big company, but on a small level, we still are the ones in here. I can't say we too much, guys, I don't live down here, but while I was in Tampa, I stopped in. Fonz is here, Nate's here, Danny's family's here. That's who's unloading, that's who's packing, that's who's shipping. Guys, that's who operates this. So if you guys get a little frustrated on order times and things like that sometimes and things being sold out, just remember who's in here doing all this hard work. Yeah, we almost done. We got like 2 rows left, and look at all this product. Oh my gosh. All you guys ask what I do when I'm not in the shop, and I'll tell you, it's definitely not go to the gym or work out. So your boy is struggling. It's probably like 95, 98 Florida heat. It's ugly, but we're almost done. That's it. Except for some canoe that Danny bought. Foz, man. We did it?
I think so.
You feeling good?
No, not at all.
I'm struggling, to be honest.
Not at all.
All right, guys, so that is it. We gotta get that stuff out, but that is it. Oh my gosh, your boy's struggling. Let me get in the light, you can see my face. I'm looking crazy.
Look like a chair.
I might have lost like 10 pounds. But anyway, we're done. I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but we gotta get all the stuff that's outside. We gotta get, why you always talk about that, weirdo? We gotta get all that stuff inside, then go get something to eat and a cold shower. All right, guys, we are all finished. Let me go show you guys what some of this stuff is. All right, so we got FX trimmer. You guys see the dots on there? That's an FX clipper in different colors. Skeletons, FX clippers in blue, pink. You see the green tape over there? Beep, beep. Let's see, this is all onyx. Not onyx, no drip, brown, black, and some onyx. These are the new magnetic mats you guys have been seeing on my stuff. So if you guys are looking for the magnetic mats, they are here. I would imagine as soon as they get out of these boxes, they will be posted on the website. So you guys stay tuned for those. FX Powerclips, Magic Clip. Those are purple FX. Expansion modules in, guys. Plenty of them. And there's some green, blue. Oh, so these are actually the magnets in the color of the power mat. So if you guys have a colored power mat, there's blue, green, orange, back there is purple. So you guys can match your power mat. Or if you want to throw a color one in with the black, that'd be kind of cool as well. So you guys see there's some seniors, more power mats. There's all the mats, guys. So we got a bunch of them. So if you guys are looking for it, it will be out soon. All right, guys, so this is inside the warehouse. You guys see all these power mats. 1, 2, 3 pallets deep. 1, 2, 3. There's more over there. That's all the power mats we just unloaded, and you guys can see there's some blue, purple, black on black, black on black. Black power mats, red power mats. You guys see this is, I guess, pretty much all power mats. And guys, these are all the shipping boxes. So let's see how many orders are going out. These are all just different size boxes to be able to send you guys your orders. And some bubble mailers, you know, all that kind of stuff. And we'll go to the other side. So this thing, guys, if we bust it out in a minute, I will get it recorded. But basically you connect this to the pallet and it spins it on the green thing and wraps it a lot easier than doing it by hand like we used to. So shave gel, there's even more shave gel on the right, power mats on the left, power mats, shave gel. You guys see a lot of inventory. Gamma clips, magic clip clips. Other side, back to colored power mats. So those are your green expansion modules. You guys see the green tape, and then same thing. So orange tape, orange mats, purple mats. Just a bunch of stuff, guys. Detailer clips. This is where all of it is. You guys see 4 rows high, 3 rows high, tons of pallets. Just wanted to show you guys. I thought you guys might think it's cool, a little behind the scenes. I know Bossio puts it on his channel quite a bit, but if you guys don't follow him and you follow me and you wanted to see it, here it is. And with that being said, guys, I am gonna go ahead and end the video. I'm dying, I'm hot, I need some water, I need some AC. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, guys, and smash that thumbs up. I'm trying these vlogs out and I wanna know if you guys like them or not. Leave me a comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think about all this stuff. It's kind of crazy. I definitely won't volunteer next time he needs the container empty, but no, guys, you know I'm down to help. But it was pretty brutal, I gotta be honest. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm gonna be doing vlogs on every trip that I have, and along with all the tutorials and all the other stuff I'll be posting. So make sure you guys are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you guys don't miss it. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna go get some rest. Catch you guys next time.